So hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. In this video I'm just going to do all the basic setups as if you've just been handed the keys in the dealership and you've just taken possession of your new car. Your new Aygo Cross or X, whatever you want to call it. This particular model is not touch to open the doors, it's all on the remote. So you're just presented with a really simple key, lock, unlock, and a mechanical key. So just push the unlock button, the car's unlocked, you can get into it. And you're just presented with a really nice interior that's really simple, but at the same time there's a lot of tech in here. So first thing you've got to do, you've got to get yourself in a suitable driving position. On the driver's seat you've got three controls. You've got the bar underneath the seat for sliding the seat backwards and forwards. You've got the lever for making the seat go higher and lower. So you need to find your ideal driving position for the height you want to sit at. And then on the seat squab, you've got the adjuster for adjusting the backrest. So that's really the first thing you need to set up. Get your seat in a comfortable position so you can reach your pedals. Now, once you're in your car, there's one more adjustment you need to make, and the lever for the steering wheel is here. You just release it. On the Aygos you don't have a telescoping steering wheel, you've only got that motion, but you're going to find yourself a comfortable position. Once you've found the position, don't forget to lock the steering wheel off so it can't move. So the key is self-explanatory. Goes into the ignition switch. So you've got yourself into a nice seating position. Your next couple of adjustments, and they're only simple adjustments, is mirrors. Rear view mirror, that's self-explanatory. You just move it into the position that you need it in so you've got a good view out of the rear window. You're presented with a lever at the bottom of the mirror for night time so people don't dazzle you when they're following you. That's that little lever. And both mirrors are electrically adjusted. I'll turn the car on so I'm not flattening the battery, and I will turn the air conditioning off so we haven't got the noise of the aircon in the background. Both mirrors are adjusted with this little switch.
On Goyle's finger stand as a last.
I'll turn the stereo off so we don't get a copyright strike. Mirror adjuster. At the moment it's set in the neutral position. Then once you've put it into R or L to adjust the appropriate mirror, that becomes a joystick. So if I push that lever forward, you'll see the glass move. We'll put the window down, you'll get a better view. The mirror points up to the sky. Pull it back, it comes into the position where it's pointing more at the floor, like that. So find yourself your happy position for the up and down, and then to make the mirror do this, you're back to the joystick, and if you push it towards the door, it pushes the mirror out. If you pull it towards the inside of the car, it pulls the mirror in. And it's exactly the same on the passenger side mirror, same basic adjustments, and all you need to do is go back to the neutral position and turn it to L. Then you can adjust the passenger side mirror. Adjustments to get you away from the dealership so you can safely drive the car in a comfortable driving position with all your mirrors set up. That's enough. It's all you need to do at your handover to get you out of the dealership. Nothing more, nothing less. Go home, enjoy the drive home, then the fun starts in setting up all the other equipment in the car, which we'll cover in a later video. So that's the handover video. It's nice and simple. Go and enjoy your car. Thanks for watching a North Wales side-by-side video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.